Hello again from the shop. Welcome to the new video. This time we have some brake work. I have a squeaky brake on the left-right side, and let's see if we can manage to fix that. I think we'll just have a look on the brake pads. They are fairly new, but not new. I changed them like 1.5 years ago, and I've been waiting if they will settle down, but this one hasn't. So either there's something stones on the brake pad, or then it just needs the lubrication of the moving parts and the brake cylinder. But let's see what we will find, and I have also other project to do if we have time, but for you that's going to be another video. So let's get to work. In this car you can nicely lift the wheel from here. It's a good thing here. Easy to release in the ground. Now just a little bit. Or didn't lose it enough. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have nicely some pads left here. So no problems there. There's a bit of lip here on the disc, but not very much actually. Much better than I expected. It's actually this tin was maybe touching, or there was something behind there. Am I right? No, it was just a brake. Okay, let's take the sliding bolt off and we can see. If you don't remember the size, just grab enough options. I think 12 might be this one. No, it must be 13. Yes, then it's 14 or 15 here. Or even more. Oh, this might be. Yeah, this is it. You need to prevent the pin from spinning when you open the bolt. You might otherwise break this rubber seal here. But this is. Yeah, now it's better. It's not as tight as it sounds. Now we should be able to turn this around. Yes. No. Stay. Yeah, there's basically nothing wrong with this, other than it's full of dust and there's no grease here. Might be that there was that ceramic brake stuff on the back. That's not so good, I think. Now, yeah, this makes it squeaky. This time we are going to use this brake lubrication. Yeah, it was the wrong stuff here. These are both moving freely, that's important. That might be one of the reasons that could cause problems with brakes, but let's clean those pads. Yeah. So what we are going to do, we are just going to loop this part that is moving, sliding on this stainless steel part, and then on the back, and that should help us with the vibration that is causing the squeaking noise. And now it's important not to mess up the brake pad surfaces or the disc itself. You don't want to get this stuff over there. Yeah, I remember when I was doing this last time, I was testing this ceramic brake stuff or anti-seize stuff or whatever, and I thought it might be good also here because brakes were mentioned in that, but as an application, but clearly that was not a good idea because this didn't stop making noises. Please go in. Yeah, now helps to get it when you get it in the right place. Also, this is not yet all the yeah. You should have a new bolt when you buy new brake pads. You get new bolts here because they have this blue Loctite in them, so it ensures that they should not get open, but I'm just going to put the old bolt back. Don't mind me about that. You just make sure it's tight. I'm anyhow going to check all these twice a year because here we change spike tires, winter tires with spikes for winter, and then during summer those have to be changed to summer tires without spikes. Okay, that was easier than expected. Let's see. Only time will tell if it really helped or not, but I'm pretty optimistic based on the fact that we had that ceramic stuff there. Actually, I could show. It was this, and as you can see, there's a brake pad in the picture with the backside and also bolt. So I would think this is good really for just on the bolts, so that the bolts will not seize so easily. I wouldn't put them on the brake pads. Okay, having the brake on now helps. So that I can turn the wheel without turning the hub. This kind of socket with the magnet in helps quite a bit with this work. I already had ceramic pasta here. I will put in all of them later on this year when I change winter tires, or on the bolts, I mean. Okay. Now we just drop it just a bit so it touches the ground like that. Now we have nice solid wheel to turn the bolts on. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.